guys. I wake up 8 o'clock and yeah, I just feel so tired and I got sore throat so bad as well. I need to go to find a tailor to stitch my my tank bag, the rope for my tank bag. Well, good news, they are open. Just need my coffee first, then we think, and then I'll think where we gotta go. It looks like pretty nice cafe actually, so I like it. But this is, I think, from last night. They haven't cleaned it up. I know that in Indonesia, the coffee shop always open until like 12. Some of them is 10 o'clock or 12. It's just so hot. I've been riding like full 2 days since the day before yesterday. Yeah, I left house like 5 o'clock, riding until I get to Sumbawa, Dompu, and it took like 6-7 hours, plus stopping, take some photo and video. And yesterday again, go around the Tambora, the Mount Tambora. I'm doing the loop, so it took whole day as well. I get home like 6:30. There you go. After I having my coffee and finish my breakfast, I think I'm gonna move on to Bima right now. Bima is the same island with Dompu. It's the next city from Dompu. After having my coffee and breakfast, I made up my mind to move on to the next city called Bima. On the way back to the homestay, I found a tailor and asked him to repair the strap of my tank bag. He did a great job, but unfortunately I only realized later when I was about to use it again that I was missing the buckle. I forgot to look for the clip. So even though I stitch it, I still cannot use it. So I have this a rope and hook. I probably can use this one first for now. Yeah, I'm gonna try it now. Well, I think this will do for now. It's not the best. I probably have to do the loop one more time to make it tighter. But I still have 3 points of the strap. It's good. I think we're ready to go. Let's go. So I've been trying to figure out what's going on with my chain. At first, I thought maybe it was because of all the extra weight for my luggage. So I adjust the chain again with all my gear loaded on my bike. After that, I got back on the road, but something still didn't feel right. The bike felt a bit stiff, almost like it wasn't rolling as freely as it should. I can't really explain it, but I knew something was off. I stopped a few times to check my luggage and all the straps, thinking maybe something had come loose, but everything looked fine. So I kept riding. Then the feeling came back again. At that point I was thinking, there's no way it's the chain again. So I pulled over, reached down with my shoe, and yep, it was tight again. After I finished adjusting, my chain just keep getting so tight.
Look at this. I can't even move it. I think the chain or the sprocket needs to need a replacement. I think, or maybe it's dirty in here.
That's when I realized something wasn't right. I needed to find a proper workshop and figure out what was actually causing the problem. So after riding for about another hour, I finally came across this workshop.
Apa ya kira-kira ya?
Rantainya kaku ini.
Pas saya
Lihat nih, kaku nih. Jadinya keras. Ini juga bengkok.
oh
Ini yang bikin.
After checking the bike, the mechanic told me the chain had become stiff. So he suggested taking it off and cleaning both the chain and the sprocket first. Before cleaning the chain, I noticed he was kinda massaging it link by link while brushing off all the loop and dirt. After cleaning everything, they look almost brand new, which wasn't really surprising since I only replaced the gear set back in Bali. Turns out the problem was the chain loop I was using. I've been using Moto Road, which is great for road riding because it stays on the chain for a long time. But it's also quite sticky, so it picked up a lot of dust and sand from all the off-roading I've been doing. I guess I forgot I'm touring around Indonesia, not just riding on the perfect road. Well, I think it's all done now. At least I don't have to look for Yamaha anymore. I can go straight to the homestay or anywhere I want to go. It's all done now. It looks like a new chain. I went to service my bike for like 3 or 4 times already, but they never actually cleaned my chain. So this is good. The chain and sprocket looks like new one now.
Kasih Pak ya.
Yuk.
Ya. Kasih ya semuanya ya.
Anyway, lesson learned. Next time I'll be using the off-road version. Huge thanks to the mechanic, even though I forgot to ask his name. The bike felt amazing afterwards, so I got back on the road and continued toward Bima. Finally, able to just enjoy the ride again without worrying about the chain and the sound that coming from the chain. Well, after getting the bike fixed, I continued riding towards Bima. Along the way, I met a few locals and stopped for a quick chat, including a group of teenagers who were curious about the trip. Later, I stopped at a small roadside store run by a mother and her 3 kids, I think. I grabbed a cold drink, sat down for a bit and enjoyed the view. From there, I could see fishermen out on the water and families, I think they're searching for fresh seafood along the shoreline to sell, I guess. It was one of those simple moments that makes traveling like this so enjoyable. After relaxing for a while, I started looking for a place to stay. I checked a few places, but they were all fully booked. Then I remember my friend Chris recommending a hotel by the beach, so I headed over to check it out.
then, the sun was already going down, and after a long day on the road, I really need a place to crash.
Naik boleh naik.
Boleh.
Ya udah saya naik sih. Soalnya susah juga kan naik ke atasnya kan nanti ngangkatnya.
Iya,
Harus
naik
saya
sama-
bawa.
sama motor.
I asked him to bring one bag for me, so the rest is like this should be okay. Oke bang ya.
I will not take off too much stuff because I'm trying to wake up early tomorrow morning so I can go straight to Sape and catch a ferry to Sumba, and then I will spend more time in Sumba if I can. So we'll see how it goes.
Just like every other night, I moved all my files, charged all my devices, and got everything ready for tomorrow. And hopefully, get myself recharged too. Tomorrow, I've got a few more hours of riding ahead of me, followed by 6 hours ferry ride to the next island called Sumba. But that's a story for the next episode. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.